Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. In this video, I'm unveiling the perfect fusion of rolling pivot reversal magic advanced, CPR Gann HiLo plus VCP, and the revolutionary dynamic Gann HiLo 3-color changer. So I'm using the combination of 3 indicators. These are separate indicators. Rolling pivot reversal magic advanced is separate. Suppose if somebody has taken a basic version, they need to upgrade for the upgrade means they need to buy again. Buy again or give the balance money so that I can upgrade for them. It is priced at 2,500 rupees and Gann HiLo CPR VCP also priced at 2,500 rupees. If you buy these two, and this Gann HiLo Dynamic 3-color changer will be given as free as a Deepavali gift. So I'm going to explain how powerful this setup designed to decode the toughest stock options. So I know the difficulty because I face the difficulty in entering the stock options, because sometimes what happens, when you enter, it will go down, go against your trade, and you will not be entering properly. So if you enter here, say for example, it is a buy thing, what is 1430 or 1490 like that, it will come back and it will come back to 1380. Sometimes even if it is a higher thing, I'll explain in another stock, Asian Paints, which I picked up from my screener. I will show you how difficult it is. In that difficult situation, sometimes we enter, sometimes because of starts going down, then we will exit prematurely. But to our amazing, it will zooms up. That might have happened to many people. Even for me, it happened. So to find the solution for this, I invented this combination of 3 indicators so that I I will not be doing any mistake, and this I am giving it to you people. So this is a paid indicator. You cannot ask for free or anything. It is because I have worked so much to bring in. Whoever bought the indicator, they are very happy. They are giving feedback that they are making profitable. That is a proof actually. So I'm going to show you in a playback mode how you can enter perfectly so that you will not be emotionally disturbed. You will sit with the trade calm and you will identify the proper setup to enter and hold the position. After entry, holding the position is also very important. So my indicator will guide you along your intraday journey to give confidence and trade confidently. This is just not another trading setup. You might have used many setup, many people might have told you, but this setup is a game changer. I cannot bring all the people who have bought it and they are happy. They are sending screenshots of their profits. Stay till the end and you will see how complexity transforms into clarity with just one powerful combination of rolling pivot reversal magic, advanced, Gann HiLo plus CPR plus VCP, Gann HiLo dynamic 3-color changer. Now I have applied the first indicator to show you rolling pivot reversal magic. This rolling pivot reversal magic is a combination of the pivots, they roll along with the price and gives you along with the intraday, they will stay along with, they travel along with, and they will give support. And this in this combination, Gann HiLo shows you the trend. Trend direction will be identified with that. I'm enabling Gann HiLo CPR, another indicator. Now, another indicator, I'm using a Gann HiLo lower period so that my entry will be precise. You must be knowing many times when the opening bell itself price gaps up. If you hurry yourself and enter into the trade, then you will be chopped out. It might have happened to many people. It has happened to me also. To solve that problem, I have brought the combination of Gann HiLo shorter period and CPR. This is CPR over here. CPR was running here from the start of this candle. Then you can CPR will act as a helipad, balance pad, and from the price started bouncing in. You can comfortably take the position or keep stop loss at this position. And the for next day, CPR is forming, indicating this is buy on dips for the HDFC bank option because CPR is rising over here. Already know what is if it comes down to this level, you will get an entry also. And the third one is Gann HiLo dynamic color changer. I'll enable that Gann HiLo dynamic color changer now. So I have enabled all the three indicators. This is the Gann HiLo three color changer. It shows you not only the direction, it also alerts you like a traffic signal, you halt. After a run up, it tells you are halt. And the traffic signal turns red and then neutral and then green. It picks up green. Like that, you can see after the red, I'm zooming out here, it happens in the market. See, when the price moves like this, say for example, you have taken entry in this call option around 13 rupees or anything, immediately when it starts coming down, you will exit just for 1 rupee trade. That will not happen here, and it will tell you, see, perfect entry will be gained. See, in this CPR combination, before taking you to the uh, only around 10 a.m. Maybe this may be the gap down, aggressive entry, but you will not sit with confidence in this entry because nothing is, all the three is not confirmed. In this area, around 10 a.m., the price, if you have entered around 15 rupees 45 paise, the dynamic Gann HiLo turned green and climbed above the uh, rolling pivot Gann HiLo, and this is the CPR Gann HiLo, also gone above all the three one. This is the shorter one, and the next shorter one, and this is the longer one. And price is above this. These are the rolling pivots, balancing, calculated balancing point. When the price, see, I'm going to write it, otherwise you will forget. Price above pivot Okay. Price above longer term Gann HiLo. Price the price price aligned above all the Gann HiLo shorter period, mid shorter, and the very much longer, then trend is confirmed. You can see your buy signals are generated automatically. That is the beauty of the indicator. Buy signals are generated and big bar alerts are also included and narrow bar alerts are also included, and this is the perfect combination. I have entered into the trade after the signal. I am holding the trade without any confusion. I don't get upset by these red color bars. I'm riding the trend. I here, even in the difficult situation, also, I'm riding the trend. The reason for this is riding the trend is they are all moving along, plus GAN rolling pivots are rising. The balance point is rising. That is very important. You can see balance point is rising, and now next step it starts from the VCR, this one CPR plus VCR Gann HiLo. In a coded alert comes, the price is squeezing. Price is going through contraction. That is the VCP alert comes here in this area. So you need to see what is the position of the price. If you see the position of the price, price is above the Gann HiLo, price is above the pivot at this point, even though the shorter, very shorter period Gann HiLo are showing mixed filling. These both, this one, step line one, and the dynamic color changer Gann HiLo showing mixed filling. They are turning from red to blue, and this is turning from yellow to red and red to yellow, mixed feeling it is showing. Then it is an alert, something is cooking, maybe either it may be a reversal is ahead. So after this contraction, a brief expansion takes place. You can see on your, that was an alert before before the tsunami. You might have seen there will be wind blow uh, before the big rain, or thunderstorm before the big rain. Like that, it is alerting you something is cooking over here. Either it is a distribution or the accumulation. Here, the big money usually traps. You will be alert. When these all sets of alerts comes, when immediately you are holding the position as long the price is above that, you are not going to panic because your entry is here around 15 rupees. Now the price is around 22 rupees. 22 rupees. So you, when such an alert comes, you are keeping your stop loss around 19 rupees and you are waiting. The price expands after the contraction to the level of, this is the summit, 23 rupees. Or otherwise you can book over here, or you can hold the position till here. You can see the perfect perfect, I mean, it starts distributing from this area. Start distributing from this area, you can see the timing over here, that is 12:45. European and London session starts there. You can see the Gann HiLo shorter period turning red, and this one magic color dynamic Gann HiLo turning red. Longer period is also turning red, and all my pivots are turning red. And cell signal are generated above the bars. Above the bars, you can see cell signals are generated. What more you want? Nobody has to come and tell you. You see on your own eyes the alerts visually, and you are taking the trade. See, from there, from the 22, it came down to 17 rupees, down 17 rupees. So, even if you would not take and see the alert, you shifted your trade to 19 rupees and it came down. All the effort, what you have entered into 15 rupees, when it comes to 17 rupees, your profit will be very minimal. Then you feel, you get disgusted and you will exit because the time is already 1:40. Again, around 1:40, some pullback comes and all the things align together from this area 17 to again it will rally back to 21. So I will show in the replay mode how all these three combo works together and how a difficult stock option entry is made simple. Let me take you to the journey with the replay mode. Here you are seeing the CPR here, and the launch pad is shifted higher. That means it is bullish. So there is no bearish, it is an intraday correction. Okay, let me come back, replay mode. Why it is not coming? I'm starting from here. I explained you the mechanism for the entry with the combination of the all these three indicators. Okay, I'll start the replay mode. See for yourself. This is previous day. Previous day price action around 3:15 p.m. See the gap down. When it gaps down, it takes support around 985. If you know this, you immediately you can take the order. You will be positioning yourself with the CPR at the very cheap peanut price. Now, it is going. The perfect entry, what I told you, it will be. See, you will be, when you see here, you are not going to enter in this area. Again, it is a dynamic CPR. Another CPR is forming over here. That is the beauty of another indicator. Dynamically, this is not like dead CPR, which is plotted ever, and you will be referring that and you are doing mistakes. So dynamic CPR is plotted and a perfect entry, a entry signal is coming, shorter period Gann HiLo, longer period Gann HiLo, all the pivot are turning green and they have crossover. So you have entered into the trade around 15 for 15. In this bar, you have entered and you are riding the price. Just see how beautifully, comfortably, without any hassle, you will not have mental tension. You are relaxed in your trading system. That is good for your health also. If you are trading with comfortably, it is good for health. Constantly, if you are under tension, if you are in trading with the tension, that is not also good for not good for health. It is very toxic for your heart. It affects your health too in the going through the years. So everything is made easy. You are entering with clarity, confidence, and you are holding the position. You are seeing that's what I explained you. See, remember all this. Price above pivot, price above longer term Gann HiLo, price aligned above all the Gann HiLo. See, the price is moving. You can see how it is moving, and you are visually seeing everything. Visually seeing everything. After reaching this place, they are showing mixed feelings. When the shorter period Gann HiLo is showing mixed feeling, and the Gann HiLo is started showing mixed feeling, but the longer period is still intact. That means you are holding the position, shifting your stop loss, trailing your stop loss, but an alert has come over here. And VCP contraction has been plotted with the green dots. That means price is contracting. Some expansion will come in the upside. So expansion, for sure it will be for the upside, because all the price is above the pivot and price is comfortably above the Gann HiLo. So, but the alert is there. A distribution has been started over here. That is an indication before the tsunami. And the indicator is telling you before what happens. Now, the thing it has started giving cell signal. The shorter period Gann HiLo turned red magenta color, and the color changer, dynamic color changer Gann HiLo turned red. All are red, pivots are red. It is a confirmed sell. You are booking profits. See how beautifully it is coming down. But this CPR will act as a support. 1345 will act as a support. And if you look back, the pivot points will give you supports in this area. Dynamic, see, in the call options or in the call options balance area, this is the balance area. Balance area, this combo is coded for automatically. If you are in the 5 minutes, hourly balance area, balance lines will be plotted. Okay, friends, since I'm in the play mode, since it is dynamic, it will not be a flat when I stop it, you will get a straight line balance areas for as a reference point. Since it is playing, it will be wobbly like this. I'll stop this playback mode, replay mode, and then I'll shift the another stock which I took I picked up from my where did I add it? Oh, yeah, I've added it in option. I think I added in Asian Paints. No, it's not there. Anyway, let me do a symbol. No. Let me go to the options today. Yes, I've added in Asian Paints. So Asian Paints came from my screener. I've already mentioned how to do this screener in my previous video. You can go through it and create your own screener on TradingView. This is for the new viewers. I'm explaining it to you. So everything made simple. You have got the screener beside you and you have got the indicator combo, then you are with power. You are with power. So there is no, let me take out the screener. I picked Asian Paints from here. And then, see, Asian Paints entry becomes different. Most of the people try to trade in stock options. Let me play back this call option, how it becomes difficult. See, immediately you cannot catch because many stocks will be in the radar, and here also the same thing. Price popped up above the pivot and the first bar itself is a huge bar. See, what is the range of this bar? From 32 to first 5 minute call, the 72. How can you enter? You will refrain from entering this call option thinking that, oh, it is very, very huge and stop loss is very huge, and you refrain, and you will not be entering properly, or sometimes if you try to enter, it will get jumped. So I'll show you how you can enter properly with my indicator and sit comfortably in this indicator. I'll change the time frame to 1 minute. 1 minute. Here you can see I'll show the playback mode. I missed this entry because it is not possible, simply not possible on the 1 minute chart and take the entry, aggressive entry. But here my indicator is telling price is above all the pivots. See, all the pivots have compressed. This is a gap up. The gap up because of the narrow CPR. Narrow CPR has been alerted on the previous day itself. But it is highly impossible to keep all the stocks, all the options in your watch list. You have to manifest the trade as it happens. So you can do it with the help of my indicator. Let me take you to the playback replay mode and show you how perfect entry you can make. I'll show you replay. Okay, I'll start the replay mode. This is previous day, 17th has not begun. See, before the previous day, CPR has formed. And CPR, another dynamic CPR has formed, indicating, it is plotting, indicating. So we are not able to enter unless if we know take the position. Price is riding. I am not going to enter into this imbalance. I'll wait for the discount. So this is a big bus strategy. Now it starts coming down. It starts coming down. Now the price still is 71 rupees. Now it has come down to 64 rupees, 59 rupees. Where to enter? Where to enter? And this turned neutral. When it came down, it turned neutral. It is turning down neutral. The price is 62 rupees. It comes down to 55. Just wait and watch. Now buy signal is generated. Around this area with this, see, I'm placing the cursor around 60, still it is neutral. And VCP has started plotting that price expansion is going to come. It is an imp, and all the pivots are rising, Gann HiLo rising, and the shorter period Gann HiLo and the little bit shorter period Gann HiLo, they are rising. But this Gann HiLo is above the shorter one, so it has to come and align. The shorter one has to come and align. You need to wait for that. That is the very important thing you need to see. You here everything proper aligned. See, the shorter one went above the dynamic color changer and the longer period and this is the perfect entry, guys. You are entering at the perfect time around, even though it is, but here you can take an aggressive entry and you are riding the trend from this price. See for yourself, you are not panicking anywhere and price is moving higher. It ran up to now, it is running 84 and it will go up to 100. 101, it will go. There is no alert, friends. There is no alert or mixed feelings in the Gann HiLo, dynamic color changer, or neither. Now it is showing some sort of mixed feeling, that is in consolidation before going to the upside. The second entry you will get in the market around 9:45, and by I'll show you it is running. Let me make it fast so that like I can finish the video fast, because I cannot go on telling the same thing. You are seeing in front of your eyes, you are going to gain this much 200 per lot. Asian Paints, you have gained entry around 59 to 60. You are running up to 100, 101. That was the target for this. It is going sideways. After run up, it will go sideways. That is a natural process, but you are in the safe territory. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Again, VCP is plotting. VCP is plotting means it is an alert. Expansion is going to come. Now 10 a.m. Let us see whether it is popping up. It's moving higher. The everything is perfect. The price is ready. Now let us see what happens to the price. Yes, it has started its journey. It has left the launch pad. Takeoff has taken place. All are rising. You can see, I'll zoom it out. See, it took off. Price took off. Now 104, 104. Yes, friends. It went up to 103. You can see over here. This is the beauty of VCP, combination of CPR, combination of rolling pivot, combination of the magical color changer. So it brings a complete system where you can capture the money, bring in Lakshmi into your house. Don't delay. You can access this indicator. Do message me on this number 98452 98452 This is a paid indicator. The combination of the two will, you have to pay 5,000 rupees for the lifetime access, and the other one I am going to give it. This dynamic color changer Gann HiLo will be as a free gift on the Deepavali. Okay, don't miss this offer. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.